Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix location services being grayed out in Windows. Follow these steps carefully and you should be able to enable it again. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Services. Click on it. Now click on any service once, then press G on your keyboard. Find Geolocation service. Double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click on Start to make the service status running. Make sure it shows Startup Type, Automatic. Service Status, Running. Click OK. Now open the Start menu again and type Registry Editor. Open it and click Yes. Now follow this path step by step. Expand H-key Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Expand Services. Now click on any service and press I on your keyboard. Scroll down and find ICSSVC. Expand it, then expand Trigger Info. If you see a folder named 3, right-click it and click Delete. Click Yes to confirm. If you don't see the folder 3, that's completely fine. Now restart your computer. After restarting, check your location services again. The issue should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.